Lord, have mercy on me.
Oh, this superstar. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Dr. Stanley Okoro. I'm a plastic surgeon in Atlanta, Georgia. Today, I have the pleasure of speaking with one of my favorite friends here, NeNe Links.
Yes.
Awesome.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm awesome. Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Awesome.
How did I get back in your office?
Well,
what is happening?
Well, you called me.
Did I call you?
You called me. And you said you want to do some things.
I do.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And you still look amazing. Don't get it wrong, okay? She looks amazing. But I think what I've noticed is people that look awesome want to keep looking awesome.
Absolutely.
So
I like to do things that are like ageless. I call it ageless. There are a lot of people that sometimes criticize, like, oh, you've done this and you've done that. There's a lot of things I haven't done.
You haven't done a lot.
There's a lot I haven't done.
Yeah.
Like,
I can testify to that.
Yeah, yes you can.
Yeah.
And so that's what we're going to be proving to y'all, okay?
Yeah.
So one of the things I want to focus on is my hands. Now, honestly, I have always felt all of my life that I've had long piano fingers. Everybody in my family have long fingers. My veins are like showing in my hand. And I feel like as you become more and more mature
is the right word.
Yeah. Your hands
shows your experience.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
We're not gonna call it age. We're gonna call it experience.
It shows your level, the level that you're at.
Yeah. Let me see. So her hands has shown some experience, and today we're going to rejuvenate them with a groundbreaking treatment. It's called Renuva. Renuva is like a placeholder for fat. We're gonna inject it. It's off the shelf. We're gonna inject it, make your hand look good, and it's just gonna give it more smoothness. Okay? There's no surgery involved with this. We're just gonna inject it on both hands, and that takes about 3 to 4 months to kind of fill up with your own fat. That's what it does. Any questions on that?
Yeah. Will I be sore?
Of course, every time we do something with a needle, there will be some soreness, but it doesn't last. It's kind of short-lived.
If you're putting the Renuva in, maybe 6 weeks later, will I lose some of the Renuva? Or I'm going to keep all of it?
So the Renuva is a placeholder for your own fat. So the Renuva is going to go away, and your fat is going to come in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yes. I love it.
That's very good. Yes. And so, therefore, I'm going to have beautiful, youthful hands.
And we're going to show it
in a few hours. And I can't wait to show you.
Awesome. Thank you.